everyone, it's the Founder's Daughter. And on today's segment, we are making English pea pasta. Sounds hard, but easy to make. And we have a very special guest today. Let's go make it. Okay, let's get started. So we have a very special guest today, my son Joseph Nicolella.
What's up, guys?
He wanted to come on today because English peas is his favorite. I'm only making them because it's his favorite. So when he would come home from Michigan State, go green.
Go white.
Whenever he would come home, he'd be like, can you make the English peas? Well, you can only make the English peas when English peas are in season. So that is usually very bountiful from June through August, through the summer season. I've tried making this with
Normal peas, like in the can.
normal peas, like in a can.
They're not as good.
It's not as good. So it is a seasonal, definitely, recipe. So like I said, I normally don't make pasta during the summer salad series, but he wanted to make it and I wanted him to come on the show. So let's get started. So we're going to start with about a cup of oil. Maybe don't do a cup. A cup seems a little much. Let's do a half a cup. I don't measure nothing. But of course, the recipe is linked above. We're going to add our garlic. And you're going to want at least, I say at least 8 cloves because the more garlic,
the better.
The better. Everything's better with garlic. Joe, what are some of your other favorite recipes that I make? We're just going to get this a little bit warmed up for us.
The reason I kind of really like the English peas because tomatoes kind of with my acid reflux. It's kind of nice just to have a nice pasta and not be in pain. But
isn't that terrible? How can tomatoes bother your stomach? But that's not only just you. I think that's a lot of people, right?
So I think this is a perfect recipe for people who have it like that.
And it's light. And then we add our onions. So you're basically just doing regular, my husband's favorite is peas and mushrooms.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
I make peas and mushrooms a lot. And then it's basically how you're starting. So you get your garlic, your onions, and you let that cook real good. Joe is gonna keep taking my peas out. These are not very pretty at all. So if you see them, they don't look good. It's not because they're not, they just look like that. And you just get these beautiful peas out of there, and I love to eat them raw. They're so good raw. Do you like them raw?
I do like them like that.
Did you do any cooking when you were at state?
Not really. Ever since my mom gave me a tomahawk to cook in my apartment up there and kind of set off all the fire alarms.
Oh yeah, I gave him a tomahawk steak and he took it to school. And he made it and in the apartment building with all these kids, and the smoke was crazy. And the fire department came and they closed down the street.
Yeah. It was bad.
That was all your fault. So once that kind of starts to cook down, it gets that little bit of a lucite color, you're ready to add your peas. So we've taken them all out of their shell, their casing, and you're going to put the peas in there. And you're just going to let those cook. That's kind of a lot, but we're going to cook them. You have to cook this down until they get soft. Once they get soft, we're gonna use the hand immersion blender, and we're gonna puree them. So let's let those cook. It's gonna need some salt and pepper in there. So when this starts to turn a different shade of green and they're starting to become soft, you want to give it just a little bit of that nice starchy pasta water, because that makes it what, Joe? Really
creamy.
Creamy. We have to have our starchy water. So we're just going to give maybe 2. We're going to give it 2 ladles of that starchy water. So keep your water. And we're just going to let these steam until they're soft. Doesn't that look amazing? It smells so amazing. So we got our pasta water, our salt, pepper, garlic, and onions. We're going to add some Parmesan and Reggiano. Joe, you put some in there.
Alrighty.
We need a lot too, grind a lot in there. Are you guys not loving our matching Founder's Daughter, son and daughter aprons? Aren't they so cute?
I guess I'm the Founder's Daughter's son now.
Founder's Daughter, son. You can start your own segment.
I know.
What would you make?
I think I should just start talking about some wine and how you compare it with each kind of pasta. Or is that good?
Yeah, so good. It smells so good. Now, with you making this, you can make it, if I'm not, home, you can make it yourself. Okay, these are all done. They smell delicious. I'm ready for the next step. Joseph, I'm going to have you lift that for me because it's a little heavy. I'm going to move this here for you. And I'm going to help you guide these in. Oh my God, it smells so good. And steamy. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like a lot. Actually, it does look like it. Just put that on the counter over there. This actually does look like a lot. So the next thing we have to do is we're going to add, Joseph, I'm going to have you add the cream. I'll tell you how much because I don't measure it. And then we have our little immersion blender. These are great. Amazon, one of my little
hacks.
My hack, but my gadgets. I'm a gadget girl. Okay, don't pour yet. I'm going to give you that. And I'm going to need my pasta water. I'm going to slide this right over. All right. You're going to pour it in. I'll tell you when. Stop. And then we're going to get some pasta water, and I'm going to let you do it. Are you confident?
I'm confident.
All right, let's go. What's this on? Okay.
Either button?
Yeah.
The second one?
Yeah. And you're going to lift up slowly. And you're just going to get it all the way around. And it starts to make this beautiful cream. And that's what we want. And while he's doing that, I'm going to take my pasta. It's already cooked. I just want to heat it up for you. Joseph, you're doing a good job.
Thank you.
So proud of you. Let's turn this down a little. Okay, now go. Down, go. What number is this on? Okay, I can't see without my glasses. Does that look amazing?
It's my favorite.
And keep it down. See how it spits? This thing is like intense. Okay, I think we're good. Oh my God, it was amazing. Let me just take this. We're gonna get that off. Now, hand us our platter, Joseph. Look at this beautiful creamy pea. Still looks kind of easy if you ask me. Let's hand us our tongs. So we already have the noodles we already had the pasta that was boiling. So we just heated it up. We're gonna pull it out. And of course, we're not gonna strain it because I like to have a little bit of that creamy pasta water. We're just gonna put it right here.
I feel like we should be drinking some wine right now.
I feel like we really should.
But it's only like, what, 11 o'clock?
Okay, look at this. Oh, beautiful linguine. Joe, I'm going to have you pour the beautiful pea puree on top of our pasta.
Okay.
Yeah, let's just dump it. Let's not be like proper. Look at that. Look at that color. Is that the most beautiful chartreuse? Is that chartreuse? Is that the color? It's amazing. Oops, you're dripping.
We should call it like pasta verde.
Ooh, that would be a good one too. Look at that. Oh my God, that color is so amazing. Now, Joe, I need Parmesan Reggiano on top. I'm gonna rinse my tongs. While you're doing that, I'm gonna just put a little bit more of this creamy sauce on top. It's almost like an Alfredo, right? But
I don't know, I like a lot of cheese. Is that good?
yeah, no, pile it on. Parmesan Reggiano. So good. And we're not even going to get plates, Joe. We're just going to eat it. How about that?
Wow.
So what did this take us?
Not even like 10 minutes.
Well, it took us 10 minutes for sure. To boil our pasta, 10 minutes for sure. But we had to peel our peas, which, you can do that the day before and throw them in your fridge if you want. But you have some prep time, but we cooked the peas, the onions, garlic, cook those down, puree them with the cream and the pasta water. Done. Probably the whole thing 40 minutes. Probably about 40 minutes. Okay, ready? I already know it's good. Because I've made it 100 times. Oh my God. We're going to try to eat it without looking like pigs on TV.
You got it?
I got it. Let's go. So good.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little salt.
Mm-hmm.
So good. So all you have to do now is come taste summer.
The Italian way.